welcome. It's another exciting time in Bloom's Kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to be making a Canadian inspired dish. We are making Ninja slow cooked beef stew. Now, if today is your first time joining me, I want to really welcome you. For those of you who are regulars, how are you doing? If you know me by now, I like to play around with food and ingredients. So make sure you sit closely, get your pen and paper, and see what I'm going to be putting in this simple dish today. All you need to do is throw everything into the slow cooker. It does the whole job for you. Don't forget now to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Also, please click on the notification. That way you see new videos I release every week. Sit back, relax. I'll be right back and we'll go through the ingredients. Come back. So for our Ninja slow cooked beef stew today, I'm going to be using beef. I'll be using chickpeas, ginger, garlic, chicken stock powder. If you have beef broth, you can also use beef broth. 2 bay leaves, rosemary, black pepper, smoked paprika, curry, cayenne to taste, and some thyme. I'm also going to be using red wine vinegar. If you have Worcestershire sauce, you can also use that. And then salt. I have here a 1/4 cup of flour to thicken it at the end. 2 red potatoes, 1 onions, some cilantro for the garnish. And then here I have tomato paste. It's a tomato paste that has pepper and onions in it. And then I'm going to be using some carrots, 1 celery, some leek, and then any oil of your choice will do. So we are going to start right away we cut the beef, season it with a little bit of salt and black pepper, and we'll get that sauteing. So this is why I like the Ninja slow cooker, because you can saute and then continue the whole thing. So it's going to be like a 1-pot recipe. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Our Ninja slow cooked beef stew is ready. Really amazing taste and flavor. Because you're using a slow cooker, it really gets time to develop. This one I made in 4 hours, so you can do this overnight for 10 to 12 hours, 8 hours. So pretty much you can put everything in the morning, go to work, and you come back to a lovely homemade meal. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes, what you think. Don't forget to like this video, share, and until next time when I bring you another amazing recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day. Thank you.